You cannot make this stuff up. Someone actually paid real money for this brake job. And the mechanic left a deadly surprise behind. A completely loose spare brake pad, just resting inside the vehicle's wheel well. This is absolutely next-level incompetence. It is truly mind-blowing to see. And yes, the camera angle is very weird. It makes the mechanic look exactly 2 feet tall, like a tiny gnome inspecting a giant truck. But this giant mistake is very real. This is exactly why automotive trust is totally gone. People will drive hours to find a good shop, or they just choose to do the work themselves. Because finding a guy who is cheaper ends like this. Let us break down why this is so dangerous. Your car brakes rely on intense mechanical friction. The heavy metal brake rotor spins with your tire. The brake caliper sits right over that metal rotor. Think of it exactly like pinching a spinning plate. The caliper squeezes the brake pads tightly together. This forcefully clamps down on the spinning rotor. That massive friction forces your giant metal car to stop. It generates incredibly massive amounts of heat, and it requires absolute precision to work safely. There is strictly zero room for loose metal parts. Leaving an old brake pad near moving parts is insane. Imagine if that heavy steel pad shifted while driving. It could instantly wedge into the spinning wheel. It could violently jam up the steering linkage, or it could easily slash the flexible rubber brake line. If that vital brake line gets deeply cut, you instantly lose all hydraulic fluid pressure. Your brake pedal goes straight to the floorboard, and your fast-moving car does not stop at all. This is why aviation uses quality assurance inspectors. Someone qualified has to legally sign off on the work. But in 95% of cheap auto shops today, that strict accountability is completely missing in action. Many auto techs are rushed or simply do not care. It becomes a huge daily gamble for your personal safety. Always double-check your vehicle after a shop service. Look closely behind the wheels for any obvious mistakes. Listen closely for any weird clunks or dangerous wobbles. Because a highly sloppy mechanic can cost you absolutely everything. So I have a very serious question for you today. Do you still completely trust professional mechanic shops? Or have you personally been burned way too many times? Will you strictly only do your own vehicle repairs now? Let me know your honest thoughts in the comments below.